Help me welcome on the stage New Founders Diamond, Praveen and Madhu Chera. Praveen and Madhu Chera, New Diamonds. Huh? Isn't that exciting? New Diamonds, New Founders Diamond, of course. The highest reward for man's dedication to excellence is not what one gets from it, but what he or she become through it. Bill Britt. We are proud of your accomplishment, and we love you, Bill and Peggy Britt. Free Enterprise Day Celebration 2007.
Whatever you visualize now, whatever you can see now, it is all worth it, folks. We were sitting just like you, and wondering whether this can happen, this is real, this is true. Everything is true, everything is real. People are real, everything is real. And folks, you can do it. There is no big deal. If you keep your dream alive, you can do it. Believe me, this is all because of the BWW system, because of Bill and Peggy Britt. Whatever we are, whatever you see today, it is because of the BWW system. I was in the hospital with Praveen, and Praveen was in the cardiac care because Praveen, we went for general checkup. And when we went doing the angiography, Praveen's heart stopped. And I was sitting outside in the corridor, and here doctors were struggling, and they say, blue code, blue code. And I said, since I work in the medical field, I know what is a blue code is. And I said, this could not be my husband. And here I was sitting alone in the lobby and praying God, that God give my husband back. Whatever I have in my heart, I have any bad feeling, I have hurt anybody, I have done anything in my life, I'm throwing in this trash can, but give my husband back. And believe me, God heard my prayer. But here the doctors was running out of the cardiac care. Another doctor, because he said, his wife is alone sitting in the lobby. So he came, say, I know you are sitting in the alone. I say, I'm not alone. God is with me right now. And believe me, folks, you need that kind of faith. This is all why I'm telling you it is nothing. Life comes in the way. But we kept that dream. We kept that thing we want to accomplish. Because every time when Praveen sees Bill, he says, I'm going diamond. I'm going diamond. And inside my heart, I know they say you work 5 times a week and 5 nights a week. And here he's visiting 5 days a week to the doctor, and he's telling Bill, I'm going diamond. And I said, Praveen, are you sure? But he says that I know, I have a faith, I have no doubt in my heart that we are going to go diamond. Nothing will stop us. And believe me, in the corridor when doctor was putting his pacemaker, and doctor said, Praveen, don't move. All this blood thinner and all those things. Just stay steady. And here, I was with Praveen, and Praveen says, Madhu, can you give the business card to this doctor? I said, what else?
I came to this country for a master in chemistry. I study, and then I want to be a businessman in India. And I sent my wife and Jinan when he was 3 years old to India. And then I went for a doctor for just regular checkup. He asked me, you have to go to hospital. And they found out I have a Hodgkin disease at the age of 34. I had to go to chemotherapy, radiation. My doctor said you have to call your wife immediately. And then you're not going to have any kids. Can you imagine? 34 years old, want to be a businessman. I want to go back. And I have to call my wife back. And people who are associated with that before the business party, they say, why not you go to India and die peacefully? That's the life. I said, God bless. I went chemotherapy, radiation, 1.5 years. At the age of 34, Memorial Sloan Kettering. I used to work after the treatment. I used to carry my plastic bags. I vomit. And I lost my voice. Because of insurance, I had no choice. I had to work. But then I understand why God asked me to stay in USA. At the age of 38, I was working as then I making a 6-figure income. Then I did $5 per hour as a salesman. I became a sales manager. Sometimes people don't know what we went through. Sometimes you want to buy a grocery bill comes $10, $15. I didn't have money. I said, in India. No, nobody. In India, my servant used to carry my books at the college, but I didn't let my family know what I went through. When Kanti and Lata saw me the business, thank God his friend, engineer and doctors, he asked, before we go, can you tell us, any friend? He called us. I signed. I don't know why. My wife said, why you signed? I said, you married to me. Happiness, sorrowness, together. And we did with the faith. 2 years, I was working 70 hours. Why? I want to get my life back, which I lost. Now, that's why I like my son too much. I only have one son. And then, Kanti and Lata, whatever they did, I follow. I came to one of the functions. I made a decision. I was the first Q12 since 18 years in a row. As soon as I want to go emerald, I got a diabetes attack. Again, I reduced the weight. One day I got a heart attack. That's what Madhu was telling me. My heart stopped. Pacemaker, they put external. My doctor told Madhu, maybe he will come back or maybe not. As soon as Madhu touched my hand, came back. When a couple of years ago, FED, when AJ and Alka Ori supposed to recognize, and they are my favorite couples. And I cannot go in FED. I was in ICU. Again, heart stopped. Second time, I said, God, you give me a challenge all the time. But give me the courage. Folks, it's not easy. But this BWW system, specially Bill Britt tapes, I listen every day. He makes me wake up, because I'm a lion. I'm a wounded lion, but I get up, again I go back, sow the plan. And 953 BIB, just follow. Okay. Let me introduce my beautiful son, Jinain and Pankti. Next diamond, Jinain and Pankti, come on in.
Mom and Dad, we love you so much. We are proud of you. Thank you for setting the best example in all your overcoming. We definitely, like you raised right now as kids, 2 years from now, we are brand new diamonds. It's a done deal, no doubt about it. And thank you for everything you do for us and everything. We love you guys so much. We will make you proud.
Thanks to God. And I really am very excited. I don't know what to say, but I'm really happy for whatever today as a family, we achieved a lot of things. And thanks to each and every one of you who prayed for us and helped us out a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, folks. If we can do it, you can do it. God bless you.